Everybody enjoying the bag. Except for Bright Eyes, who's enjoying attacking my camera string. Oh, the tail hanging over the bag. I think Matilda's going to have to step in there and attack that.
Really smell it.
Or at least block the camera. Go at.
Either get in the bag or get out, man.
Ash likes being in the bag.
Man, it's kind of unenthusiastic. It's just like, look, man, some stuff. Oh no, Ash's trash.
Stuff is cool.
And the little tail. Man, a little miss.
And it was better when she had her head poking out and she was whacking back at them.
Yeah, it was pretty funny.
Oh, don't go in there.
Yeah. Don't go in there.
You get seriously owned.
Yes, Red Eyes, cooking is always important for sitting with your older sister. There we go. Yes, little miss. Attack Teddy's tail.